was 1 day for every week you were out. And now home time is 2 days for every week that you're out. And so it's a whole lot easier to be out 4 weeks, knowing that when you come home, you're going to be home 8 days. And you can have, it's a mental relaxer. You don't have to be worried about being able to get all the things that you need to get done on your home time done, because you've got double the time.
We stay out 4 to 5 weeks, so a minimum of 8 days. We stay out 5, we're home 10 days. So if we want to take a trip, if we want to go back east and visit the kids, we've got time to do it. If we want to stay here and go camping at the lake and go fishing, we've got time to do it. If we just want to hang out on the deck and barbecue, we got time to do it, and we're not stressed. And when you're here and you're on time off, you're left alone. Your phone doesn't ring from the company. They leave you alone. They value your time off here as much as we do.